Today, the biggest news out of markets was that Apple cut its iPhone production just 2 weeks after its debut, as you can see here. Now, what we wanted to really talk about here was the flow that showed up in Apple because of that news. As you can see clearly on the chart here, this is where the news broke. What you're looking at here in black is the price of Apple stock, and then in purple is our hero indicator, which estimates the hedging impact of options flow that's coming in to Apple stock. So we're looking at every single call that trades and every single put that trades and estimating how much dealers may have to sell or buy in Apple stock as a result. Now, what you can see here is the news breaks and the stocks come down sharply. And at the same time, we can see that this purple line goes down. Now, this is telling us that traders are buying puts and selling calls. And yes, the options activity takes place after the stock starts to drop. So this is traders trying to gain a foothold or get some exposure to the fact that Apple stock is going down. Now, what the value of Hero is in this case is helping you to anticipate what a bottom may be in the stock. Now, in this case, we had our key levels here. This is the hedge wall, put wall. These levels are concentrated right at 140. So the stock came down into this area. But what you can see here is that this purple line bottoms and then starts to move up. And it's after that that the stock bases and starts to move up as well. So oftentimes when stocks are declining or dropping like this, you're trying to figure out, hey, I want to place a mean reversion here, right? Like I want to bet on the stock recovering or bouncing. How do I time that? Well, the beauty of the hero indicator is that it tells you when the options traders are shifting their view. Because when this purple line goes up, it's telling you that traders are now starting to sell those puts they bought and or buy calls. And this is a signal when the hero indicator flattens out that the stock selling may be over and we may get mean reversion. And this works the same way when stocks are rallying very sharply. When the call buying stops, the stock may mean revert. So this is one of the great uses of Hero, again, helping you find where a stock may have bottomed.